Welcome back to Freshco Graphics. Whether you're a returning viewer or joining us for the first time, we're thrilled to have you. Subscribe now for captivating insights into home and interior design. The cozy, lived-in love of a shabby chic home. Ever walked into a house that feels like a warm hug? That's the magic of shabby chic. It's not about perfection, but about comfort, history, and a gentle romantic spirit. Imagine soft, faded florals, painted furniture whispering of past lives, and an air of effortless charm. Our inspiration today centers on a specific palette, seafoam green and cream floral wallpaper, like a forgotten English garden. And to add a sweet surprise, we're painting the exterior facade door and all. A soft, dreamy lavender. Ready to wander through this daydream with me? Let's explore this lovingly worn, beautifully soft home together. Picture a cottage-style house where the lavender-painted door and window frames are the first delightful surprise. This isn't a bold purple, but a weathered grayish lavender that feels sun-bleached and soft. The facade itself might be in a creamy off-white or pale gray, letting that lavender truly sing. In the garden, old terracotta pots with cracks and moss hold billowing cream roses and frothy lavender plants. A slightly rusted wrought iron bench sits on a flagstone path, and perhaps an old birdcage or stone cherub rests nearby, adding to the timeless romantic vibe. It's a welcome that says, "Come in and stay a while," not "Look how perfect I am." Step through that lavender door into an instant sense of calm. Here, our seafoam and cream floral wallpaper makes its first appearance, probably on a single accent wall or in a powder room off the hall. The floor could be wide plank wood, painted a chipped cream and lightly sanded to show wear. A distressed console table in chippy white holds a jug overflowing with dried hydrangeas. A vintage mirror with a flaking gilded frame hangs above it, reflecting soft light. The key here is to keep it uncluttered but personal, with maybe a weathered umbrella stand and a cozy cream-colored rug underfoot. This is the heart of the home, where the floral wallpaper truly comes to life as a beautiful backdrop. Pair it with a supremely squishy sofa draped in a cream linen slipcover, piled with cushions in seafoam, lavender, and floral prints. Furniture is a mix: a painted cupboard displaying china, a worn leather armchair that's seen better days, and a coffee table made from an old trunk. Natural light filters through sheer, floaty curtains. Every piece tells a story, from a faded oriental rug to stacks of well-loved books and a crystal lamp on a lace doily. It's curated but never done. This room is your personal sanctuary, designed for dreaming. The floral wallpaper here feels especially right, creating a gentle, enveloping feeling. The bed is the star. Think an ornate iron bed frame or a painted wooden one, dressed in layers of cream and white linens, a chenille bedspread, and a crocheted blanket tossed at the foot. A vanity table with a skirt and a mirror whose silvering is flaking adds romance. Keep surfaces soft with little treasures: a porcelain dish for jewelry, a vintage clock, and a single candle. It's feminine, peaceful, and feels like a permanent retreat. Imagine family dinners and lazy Sunday brunches here. The wallpaper sets a garden party tone, perfect for gatherings. The table might be an old farmhouse one. It's wood-scarred and loved, paired with mismatched chairs, some painted white, some in natural wood. A crystal chandelier dripping with prisms hangs above, perhaps with a few candles missing. A large ornate picture frame, empty or with a botanical print, leans on the wall. On the table, mix vintage china, mason jar glasses, and a simple linen runner. It's eclectic, inviting, and encourages long conversations over dessert. Shabby chic kitchens are warm and functional, never sterile. Cabinets could be painted in that creamy off-white, with handles swapped for vintage glass or porcelain knobs. Open shelving displays white dishes and seafoam green mason jars. Our floral pattern might appear as a backsplash or on a pantry door. A sturdy farmhouse sink looks out over the garden. Countertops are worn butcher block or marble, holding a beloved stand mixer and a bowl of fresh lemons. It's a space that feels cooked in and loved, where the kettle is always ready to boil for a cup of tea. We end in a room that feels like a spa from a bygone era. Here, the seafoam floral wallpaper might be paired with wainscoting painted in creamy white. The focal point is a gorgeous clawfoot tub with a charming patina, of course, on vintage ball and claw feet. Plush, thirsty towels in cream and seafoam hang from a rustic ladder. Storage is in a painted cupboard or a wire basket holding rolled towels. Finishing touches include a tray of soaps, a simple jar of cotton balls, and a single framed botanical print. It's the perfect place to unwind and feel pampered, in the most beautifully imperfect way.